Okay, I'm going to show how to hook up the generator to generate electricity for the house when the power's out, in case anybody needs to know how to do it. There's three critical elements of the system. There's the generator, the connection box on the side of the house, and then a switch box in the basement to switch between line power and generator power. So, let me show the critical elements of the generator. First is the gas tank at the top. Got to make sure there's gas in it. Second is the connectors where you connect between the generator and the side of the house. There's also the on switch here, the choke, and then the pull cord. So once you've got gas in the tank, we're going to wheel it around. You got to be right next to the connection box. So there's a handle over here on the side. Let's lift right up and wheel it around. This is the connection box on the side of the house. This is over by the garage side door. All you got to do is lift this up, and there's a connector inside here that you connect this cable to. So you use the female end to connect in here. You can see there's a little L shape. You align it and just twist it a little bit to the right and it should connect. Next you connect this into the generator. Lift up the little plastic panel. It's the big connector on the bottom. Again, you can see the L connector in there. So that's the first step, first important step. You got to make sure it's connected before you turn anything on. So then the next step is to fire up the generator. So to start it up, all you got to do is flip the switch to on, flip it all the way to choke, give it a few tugs and it should start up. Once it starts running, cut it back to run, it should run just fine. Okay, we're in the basement, bottom of the stairs. I'm going to show where the switch box is in the utility room. Through this door, and then through the second door. And the box is right up here to the right, up high. It's the switch box. Okay, so once the generator is fired up and connected up outside beside the garage, got to come down to the basement and flip the switches on this switch box. Right now they're in the up, all up. There's 6 switches, they're all up in the line position. Once the generator is fired up and connected, you come down here and flip them all down, all 6 switches to the down generator position. Okay, so once line power is back on, we need to turn off and disconnect the system. The steps for doing that is, first you go inside and switch the switch box back to line. Next, you shut off the generator. All you do with that is you flip it to off. Once this is off, then you can disconnect it from the house. Like that. And that's it.